For my next dish for the block party, I am making a summery and simple pasta salad. I have some tricolor pasta here that I've already cooked and drained. I'm cutting up some summer squash, which is really beautiful and tasty around this time of year. I'm just gonna throw in some tomatoes, olives, and a little bit more of that Italian dressing I used for the sliders. And so now I'm just dicing my zucchini. I have some yellow squash right there as well. And another great thing about this pasta salad is that you can put whatever veggie you like in there. Oh my gosh, my grandmother. I pray that when I'm her age, I'm just as vibrant and lively and active as she is. I always talk about her because if I go over her house at like 8 a.m. or 9 a.m., she's like fully dressed, ready to go. My grandmother never sleeps in, and my grandma has her routine, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. She still drives herself to the pool. She gets all dressed up to go there. Let me tell you something, my grandma is one jazzy lady. She will put on her clothes, and it's so funny. I know when she really likes her outfit because she'll come out the room and she'll, I'm like, Grandma, do you like it? I think so. When my grandma enters a room, everyone's face just lights up. Everyone loves Joe. And my grandma actually used to be a really big party host back in New York when she lived in New York. Everyone loved going to her house for parties because they knew Joe was gonna make some good old Southern food. All right, so all of my veggies are diced up. Got some tricolor spiral pasta that I boiled till it was al dente. You want it to still kind of have a bite to it. I'm gonna add my veggies. All right, I have some black olives and some sliced cherry tomatoes. Taking that Italian dressing that I used earlier for the sliders, just adding it directly to the pasta. Super simple veggie pasta salad. And easy to make in the summertime because you really don't want to spend a lot of time in that hot kitchen. The perfect dish for that. A little salt and freshly cracked black pepper. The great thing about pasta salads, the longer it sits, the better it gets. So you can actually make this a day before or even 2 days in advance. And as it sits in that Italian dressing, it's just gonna soak up all of that flavor. All right, I'm just gonna give it a mix, and this pasta salad is done. If you want, you can also add some cheese to this. Feta would be really good in here. You can add more Parmesan. Again, you can add any protein that you want if you want to add a protein. It's the summertime, so if you're anywhere near the water, shrimp will be so good in this. But this is the perfect side for those skewers. Okay, give it a taste. Get some of that zucchini in there. Get a little squash. That's good. It's so fresh. It's not a heavy salad. You know, in the summertime, you just don't want to eat heavy. I don't know about you, but for me, when it's hot outside, I don't want anything that's gonna make me feel icky. This is a great pasta salad if you just want something that's refreshing and tasty, and it's a great side.